Imagine this. The richer you get, the more debt you take on. Sounds absurd, right? Yet that's the game the wealthy play. They leverage debt not to sink, but to soar. Today, interest rates are at historic lows. For the affluent, this is a golden opportunity. They borrow against assets, investing in real estate or stocks, while the cost of borrowing remains minimal. The math? Simple yet powerful. If you invest wisely, your returns can overwhelmingly outweigh interest costs. But here's the kicker. The average person fears debt, viewing it as a burden. Wealthy individuals, they see it as a tool, a way to amplify their wealth potential. This strategy isn't without risks. When markets dip, debt can turn from a ladder to a noose. As the game becomes more complex, ask yourself, would you dare to play, or will you remain on the sidelines? The choice and the challenge lie ahead.